Early morning rain, they fall from my roof. Cold breeze, they blow, remind me of you. Sun never shows, sky still they cry. I dey sit for porch, watch time they pass me by. Boots still dirty from yesterday road. Heart still heavy with the love way I lose. Coffee for hand, but you know warm my soul. Since you waka come out, everything done slow. Early morning rain, wash my pain away. Make it carry my sorrow, go far, far place. Early morning rain, fall for my skin. Maybe if he cleanse me, I'd feel love again. Radio they play one old country song. Talk about promise we no last long. We dream together for this open land. You say forever, I believe I'm like mine. Now your shadow still they follow my step. Every wet footprint, now memory left. I talk to Jehovah, say help me stand. But this lonely road still hard to understand. Early morning rain, wash my pain away. Make it carry my sorrow, go far, far place. Early morning rain, fall for my skin. Maybe if he cleanse me, I feel love again. If rain fit talk, you go hear my cry. If sky gets here, you go know why. Some love sweet, some love deep, some love wake you, some no let you sleep. When sun go rise, road go dry small. But scar for heart, no they fade at all. Still I go walk, still I go try. Countryman know they too quick to die. Early morning rain, don't teach me pain, but he also show say hope go come again. Early morning rain, fall and pass like love and sorrow, you know they last. Early morning rain, now me and my shadow again.